Ooh, it's cold. Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to basically install some fog lights. Now that I've done the 2000 front end conversion, I kind of want some fog lights on the Civic. All my other cars had them, so why not this one? I picked up a decent set off of eBay. They look pretty cool, and they should match the headlights pretty well. I don't know, yeah, I think I showed you guys headlights already, but they should match the headlights pretty well. Actually, I think it's a pretty quick process. You don't have to mind the wind. It's windy as hell and it's cold. But we're gonna go ahead and take the bumper. Yeah, so what y'all don't know from the last, I guess the video I posted before, the bumper is not actually fully attached. Zip ties do everything. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get it cut off real quick. All right, I lied. I had to open the hood. And done. So if I did that, I should be able to just meh. That's how you remove a bumper from a Honda Civic. Alrighty guys, so let me go ahead and get this box open. So I can come to the button. We'll check that in a minute. Don't care about that right now. Oh, I don't know if y'all ready for it. Oh, hold on. Oof. Ooh. Alright, yeah, typical, might need that. So typical, you got relay, fuse. How big is this fuse? Because we may need a bigger one. I don't know yet. I don't know if I trust Chinese fuses. We'll see. 30. Okay. That might be big enough. These wires look pretty good. I broke it. Well, you know what? They provided plenty of zip ties, so I think I can zip tie it closed. I assume I'll be needing this hardware probably to install in the bumper. Switch. Ooh, you guys. Just a little ASMR of a click. You hear that? That's the sound of a quality. Let me stop. Alright, let's go ahead and actually get to the bumper part though. So what I'm assuming here, the shroud's going to sit in this spot here. I don't know if it's enough light, but let me go ahead and pop the shroud off the headlight, or the fog light. We'll go ahead and flip it over and just start cutting at it, and I'll show you guys where I'm probably going to cut. But realistically, I think all you'll need for this install is probably a Dremel and a screwdriver. By the way, I bought new screwdrivers, just so you'll know. So you do not want to cut any of these little stud holes out here. There should be 3 on this side, 1 over here, 1 over here. If I'm not mistaken, the brackets themselves should mount to those. How they will, I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But anyways, the self-tapper screws that this kit came with, they're gonna go through that and mount the bracket to it. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut around these. And I'll probably cut a little bit short with my Dremel just to make sure I don't overcut it. Then I'll go back and test fit the shroud, make sure it fits on there right. If it doesn't, cut a little bit more until I get it. And I'm just going to use some weird Dremel I got from eBay. Or actually I got this from Amazon. Oh, I don't have the... Yeah, let me put a blade in there. Alright guys, so before we actually begin cutting, I want to see if I could show you guys something. If you ever do this conversion and you have an OEM bumper, there's actually a black line. It should be 2 sets. You can kind of see it up here. You want to try to follow that line. It actually goes all the way around. That's the line you normally want to cut out when you're doing the bumper. I guess the fog light install. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to test fit this bracket real quick. Hopefully this audio is picking up, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to test fit this real quick and see if it actually does fit. So far, not looking good. Not looking good. Definitely bent. I can already tell these are gonna have fitment issues. Just looking, this bracket right here is slightly bowed in. And this one right here, it's not flush against this like it's supposed to be. That makes no sense. I'm gonna have to modify that or something. I'll have to figure that out. Thinking I'll just pull this bracket off, take the Dremel, try to drill the hole a little bit over more to try to pull this in. Alright guys, so after struggling a lot, I finally got them installed. They don't look too bad. I can only show you guys this one because I've got an engine in the way of where I would normally put the camera to get a wide view. I put them together and I had not tested them out, so I just started hooking some little test thing up. Right now I have the halo ring. You can see it right there. The little halo ring on. I have that set up right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use my little jump box to see if I can get that to illuminate. So there goes the first test with you guys. Fingers crossed it works. Oh damn, that's bright. Huh. Looks pretty good. I don't want to wire it up yet, but looks good. Okay, so those work. Let's go ahead and try the actual fog lights now. I think these are H11 bulbs. I believe once it starts receiving power, it should light up. So let me go ahead and see if I can hit the switch. Oh, it works. All right. Let me cut the lights real quick for y'all. Well, let me close the window. Now let's see if the fog lights work. Well, here, let me keep this in frame so y'all can actually see me click it. Oh, nope. That won't do. It didn't like that too much. Nope. Okay. New plan. We'll do a battery. Alright, hold on guys. Let me readjust and let me get a battery, just directly hook it up and see if they still light up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to set this up using a battery instead, see if that'll make it better. If I do this, I don't believe I'll be able to give you guys a shot of the switch lighting up, but that first shot should be good enough. So, shit. I don't recommend doing this at home. Oh, you also shouldn't touch yourself. Yay, there we go. So, switch is off, lit up. I press it, light's green. And looks like the fog light is on. The other one's on too, so perfect. Looks like this is looking good. Ah. All right. Fog lights are on. They're looking pretty decent. I just gotta figure out how to get all this shit hooked up.